Hello, everyone. I am going to be doing a webinar on the 22nd of August, basically on camping, detox on the road, and I am going to be talking a lot about things that I saw on our camping trip. We were gone for 3 weeks, a little more than 3 weeks. I took pictures of different kinds of trailers and tents and tools that we've used ourselves and other ones that I saw other people using that might be helpful for you. So there's camping equipment, there's camping tents and trailers and at every price range. And getting out into nature, getting into fresh air, getting away from toxin-filled environments can go a really long way to clearing your brain if you have brain fog, or getting rid of rashes, or getting clarity even around the things that we need to do that are sometimes difficult. So reducing stress is a big part of my recovery, my husband's recovery, and it's a big part of everybody's recovery. So we have to take time and get ourselves in a place where we can heal. And part of that is getting our body to turn off the fight or flight, scenario where it's just go, 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 go. And for me, and maybe for you, if you're willing to give it a try, being out in nature, being in places that have fresh air, often don't have cell service or internet, can be really empowering and invigorating and healing. So we have a big wide world out there, many, many interesting places to go and see abroad, out anywhere in the world, outside the United States, but also inside the United States. If you're in a place, you end up in a place where the air's not good, the good thing about camping and traveling is you can pick up and go somewhere else. And we've had situations where 2 hours away from one place that we were having a reaction, we are suddenly much better and we can go on and enjoy our journey. So I'm going to talk more about camping and how we did it and the tools that you can use. So join me on that webinar on August 22nd. If you can't join that day, there will be a recording that you will be able to watch after the fact. So I look forward to seeing you then. Send in any questions that you have in advance and I will try to answer them. Join me at avoidingmold.com or join my Facebook group, Avoiding Water Damage, Mold, and Toxins also, or follow me on Facebook at Cheryl Ciecko Architect. Mold-free, toxin-free, it's a lifestyle, and there's a lot of details to learn about, and I'm so thankful that so many of you have joined me on this journey to wellness. I look forward to seeing you there.